Welcome to RenovationX, your ultimate destination for transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary dream homes. If you're passionate about creating a stunning living room that combines style, comfort, and functionality, then this video is for you. Today, we are uncovering the most common living room design mistakes that might be holding your space back and, more importantly, how to fix them effortlessly. Whether you're in Dubai or anywhere else in the world, achieving a breathtaking living room aesthetic is easier than you think when you know what to avoid and what to incorporate instead. From furniture placement to lighting choices, from wall colors to decor elements, let's dive deep into the common errors people make and how you can elevate your space with the right techniques. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong furniture size. Oversized furniture can overwhelm the space, making it feel cramped, while furniture that's too small can make the room appear incomplete and underwhelming. To fix this, start by measuring your living room before purchasing furniture. Opt for pieces that fit harmoniously with the proportions of the room. Consider multifunctional furniture like ottomans with storage or sectional sofas that maximize seating without crowding the space. Another mistake that often goes unnoticed is placing all furniture against the walls. While it might seem like a space-saving solution, it actually creates an awkward, disconnected look. Instead, try pulling furniture slightly away from the walls to create intimate seating arrangements. A well-placed area rug can also anchor the space, tying all elements together beautifully. Lighting is another crucial aspect that can make or break the ambience of your living room. A single overhead light fixture is simply not enough to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Layering different types of lighting, such as ambient, task, and accent lighting, is key to achieving a well-lit space. Consider incorporating floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, and LED strip lighting to add depth and character. Smart lighting solutions that allow you to control brightness and color temperature can further enhance the overall mood of the room. Another common mistake is using harsh, cool-toned lighting that makes the space feel unwelcoming. Opt for warm, soft lighting to create a cozy and inviting ambience that makes your living room a place where people want to gather and relax. Color choice plays a vital role in the overall feel of the living room. Choosing overly bold or extremely dark colors without balancing them with lighter shades can make the room feel smaller and oppressive. While bold accent walls can add personality, it's important to complement them with neutral or lighter tones to maintain a balanced look. If you love vibrant colors, introduce them through accessories like throw pillows, artwork, and rugs rather than painting all four walls in a dramatic hue. Another mistake many people make is ignoring the power of texture. A living room with only smooth surfaces can feel flat and uninspired. Mixing different textures, such as velvet, wood, metal, and woven fabrics, adds depth and richness to the space, making it feel more layered and inviting. Wall decor is often either overdone or completely neglected. Bare walls can make a living room feel unfinished, while too much decor can create visual clutter. The key is to find the perfect balance. Gallery walls with framed artwork, mirrors, or unique statement pieces can add character without overwhelming the space. Large-scale art can make a dramatic impact and serve as a focal point. Mirrors, when placed strategically, can reflect light and make a small living room appear larger. Another common mistake is failing to consider symmetry and proportion when hanging wall decor. Hanging art too high or too low disrupts the harmony of the room. A good rule of thumb is to position artwork at eye level for an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Many people underestimate the power of incorporating statement ceilings into their living room designs. While walls and flooring often receive most of the attention, the ceiling is an equally important element that can dramatically enhance the overall aesthetic. A well-designed ceiling, whether through coffered detailing, wooden beams, or decorative wallpaper, can add depth and sophistication to the space. For a modern touch, consider recessed LED lighting along the edges of the ceiling to create a soft, ambient glow that enhances the room's atmosphere without being overpowering. Another overlooked aspect is the arrangement of decorative accessories. While it's tempting to place small decor items scattered around the room, this can lead to a cluttered and disorganized look. Instead, create intentional groupings using the rule of 3 to maintain balance and harmony. For instance, combining objects of varying heights, such as a tall vase, a medium-sized sculpture, and a small decorative bowl, on a coffee table or console creates a visually appealing arrangement. Keeping accessories in curated clusters instead of spreading them throughout the room ensures a cohesive and polished look. Many people fail to consider how different materials interact with each other within a living space. Mixing too many clashing textures, such as glossy surfaces, rough wood, shiny metals, and patterned fabrics, can create visual chaos. On the other hand, using only one texture throughout the room can make it feel flat and uninspired. A well-balanced mix of materials, such as pairing soft linen sofas with a sleek marble coffee table and matte-finished metal accents, can create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Thoughtful contrast adds depth while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. Ignoring the importance of a functional layout can significantly impact the usability of a living room. While aesthetics play a major role, the way furniture is arranged should prioritize ease of movement and conversation. A common mistake is creating a layout where seating is too far apart, making it difficult for guests to interact comfortably. Instead, arranging furniture in a way that encourages natural conversation, such as angling chairs toward each other or placing sofas within a reasonable distance, ensures a welcoming and engaging environment. A well-planned layout enhances both flow and functionality, making the space more enjoyable for daily living and entertaining. Lastly, many homeowners fail to integrate multi-sensory elements that can elevate the living room experience. While design is primarily visual, incorporating elements that appeal to other senses enhances the room's ambience. Adding soft textiles like plush rugs, velvet cushions, or knit throws creates a cozy and inviting touch. Playing with subtle background sounds, such as a gentle water feature or soft instrumental music, can further enrich the atmosphere. Additionally, diffusing calming scents like lavender, sandalwood, or citrus can make the space feel more relaxing and welcoming. By appealing to multiple senses, a living room becomes not only stylish but also a sanctuary for comfort and well-being. Many people underestimate the importance of greenery in the living room. A space without any plants can feel lifeless and dull. Indoor plants not only purify the air but also add a natural element that brings warmth and freshness. If you struggle with plant care, opt for low-maintenance options like snake plants, pothos, or artificial plants that still provide aesthetic appeal without the upkeep. Another common pitfall is overcrowding the space with unnecessary decor and furniture. Minimalism is key to achieving an elegant, sophisticated look. Keep only the essentials and select decor pieces that truly complement the space. Clutter can make even a beautifully designed living room feel chaotic, so regular decluttering is essential to maintaining a visually appealing environment. The wrong curtain choice is another major design mistake. Curtains that are too short or too narrow can make the ceiling appear lower and the windows smaller. To create the illusion of height, hang curtains as close to the ceiling as possible and let them extend all the way to the floor. Opt for sheer curtains combined with blackout drapes for versatility and a luxurious feel. Ignoring the importance of a well-defined focal point can also make a living room feel disjointed. Whether it's a statement fireplace, a large piece of art, or a stylish media console, having a central element that draws attention creates a sense of cohesion and purpose in the space. Rugs play a crucial role in tying a living room together, yet many people choose rugs that are either too small or placed incorrectly. A tiny rug floating in the middle of the seating area makes the space feel disconnected. Ideally, the rug should be large enough so that at least the front legs of the furniture sit on it. This helps define the space and create a polished, cohesive look. Another mistake is choosing the wrong material for your lifestyle. If you have pets or children, opt for durable, easy-to-clean materials like wool or synthetic blends that can withstand wear and tear. Ignoring personal touches can make a living room feel generic and uninspired. While it's great to take inspiration from design trends, incorporating personal elements such as travel souvenirs, family photos, or handmade decor adds warmth and authenticity. Your living room should be a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. Additionally, failing to consider practicality when designing the space can lead to frustration. A living room should be both beautiful and functional. Choosing stylish yet uncomfortable furniture, placing the TV at an awkward height, or having insufficient storage can impact the usability of the space. Prioritize comfort, accessibility, and organization to create a living room that is both visually appealing and practical. Overlooking the impact of ceiling design is another missed opportunity. Many people ignore their ceilings, leaving them plain and unembellished. Adding ceiling moldings, wooden beams, or even a statement chandelier can elevate the entire room. Even a fresh coat of paint in a contrasting or complementary shade can add depth and interest to your space. Another common mistake is choosing furniture that lacks visual weight balance. Mixing bulky pieces with ultralight furniture without a sense of cohesion can make the room feel disjointed. Strive for balance by incorporating a mix of shapes and sizes that work well together. By avoiding these common living room design mistakes and implementing thoughtful solutions, you can transform your space into a stylish, functional, and inviting environment. Which of these mistakes have you made in your own living room? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RenovationX for more expert home renovation tips and interior design inspiration. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and see you in the next video. If you want more detailed insights, watch our other videos where we dive into specific aspects of home decor, styling, and modern design innovations to elevate your living experience even further.